definition. We did not see only the Diamir side. We went to the Rupal side, to the Rakyot side, to the Diamir side, and also to the Buna side. So all around Nanga Parbat we were visiting. Also to see what's happening with tourism. I know the place since 50 years. 50 years ago I came the first time, and it was a totally different world. Now the things are changing, like everywhere, to the better, to the worse. Tell them.
Thank you.
There is no doubt that we have global warming, and for sure partly mankind is responsible for it.
Oh.
We see that the glaciers are melting very quickly, and the big rivers are showing that much more water than other summers are coming. In Europe we have the hottest summer scenes ever. Also here is quite hot, but this is normal for Indus Valley. But the snow is coming in different periods like before. Many rockfall we have. Also permafrost is missing more and more, so big pieces are falling down. And it's getting worse and worse for human beings in the mountains. Naturally also everywhere. We have also to see that there are some positive effects for tourism. Many people in Pakistan from the south, in the hot months, they flee and they go to the north. And where they go? They go to Karimabad, to Hunza. Why? Because there is an infrastructure. There are many hotels, there are streets, beautiful country, also clean country, a lot of culture. So Karimabad is the only place in the north of Pakistan which has a great success. Because the global warming is helping, pushing people, and they have the infrastructure. Where there is no infrastructure, there is no tourism. In Gilgit is tourism, but it's limited because Gilgit is I would say a market city.
Commercial
city, and not a tourist city. Karimabad, if you know Karimabad, is really perfect for tourism. High standard hotels. You can see the castle, you can see beautiful landscape. We have all these apricots and cherries and everything is green. And I think that Karimabad can compete with many destinations in the mountains. It's a positive example. The Rupal Valley is the valley I have seen first 50 years ago because I climbed the Rupal face. In the moment there is quite non-tourist. Also for the fact that the road is not reaching the last house. And also on Rakyot Valley. The road on Rakyot Valley is very dangerous. And if once a jeep with 5 European people is falling down, tourism is over. Because worldwide it will be a scandal. And I think that there should be a rule that you go up with jeep. In 3-4 points you go out of the jeep, you hike, jeep is going, but people should not stay the whole time in the jeep. It's too dangerous. Do like this. I personally go down on foot, partly, and go up on foot. I don't like to die in Rakyot.
You are
here to Nanga Parbat in 1970. And we climbed together, my brother and myself, we climbed the Rupal face. So we were not coming to climb Nanga Parbat, we came to climb the face. The face is finishing on Nanga Parbat summit, but the summit was not interested. It was interested to do this new line. Everybody on the wall was saying this is an impossible wall. And we could handle it, but my brother became high altitude sick, so we were forced to go down the other side, where it's not so steep. And there on the base of the mountain he died. Under an avalanche, and he was found 23 in the Alps. It's the most successful, worldwide most successful mountain museum.
In Egypt.